is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is Superlap Battle Day 1 Part 2. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. If y'all do, be sure that y'all like and subscribe. Comment down below which one is y'all's favorite car here. And yeah, pretty much kick back, relax, grab a snack, and enjoy this video. Alright, so I was walking around the car show and I found something kind of funny. I don't know if y'all remember Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, but Han basically let Sean drive his Mona Lisa, his prized possession, which was the S15 that looked absolutely crazy, which he absolutely destroyed in the third movie whenever he let him borrow it to race the other dude. But this right here is really funny because they actually put a picture of the Mona Lisa. Oh, I actually know who this is. This is Drive Sideways. This guy owns a R34. He owns a whole bunch of really crazy JDM cars. He's actually out from Dallas, and it's cool to see him out here. But that's really funny that we saw the Mona Lisa on the Mona Lisa. Alright, so I want to say one of the craziest cars at the event might be this S14 right here. It is like fully built. I don't know if as a drift car or as a drag car or just as a show car. I'm guessing just as a show car just from the way that the bolts look on this thing. But check that out. Twin turbo LS. That thing has got to be pushing some serious power. Carbon fiber wing. That big old LED light that they have in the back looks absolutely insane. It honestly looks like brand new. This thing looks so damn good. He has a bumper delete, or that's kind of like with the, I think that's the Liberty Walk rear end or something like that. The wheels that this man has though, these are some crazy dished wheels. Look at that. They look so insane. I love the way that this thing looks. If y'all want to go check him out, his Instagram is right here. But yeah, I think this right here and the Zarate family supercars that are over here, the Audi R8, the red Huracan, and the red Supra, I think those might be my second favorite cars that are at the show. And obviously, TurtleMedia's RTR Mustang. That thing also looks absolutely insane here. Alright you guys, so right now we're gonna jump into a little bit more drifting because honestly I think this is my favorite thing at this event, the drifting. It gets absolutely absurd here. There are so many good drivers here like Chris Leonard, KennyRosgen. There is a whole lot more. I think Jake Wise was also here. There is a whole lot of crazy good drivers here. Nate Hamilton. So yeah, if y'all haven't heard of this event, this is y'all's first time, be sure that y'all go check them out. Superlap Battle. They have racing, they also have drifting, and then they have a car show area. It gets so crazy. It's at Circuit of the Americas. They only do it once a year, and yeah, it gets absolutely absurd like I said. So if y'all did like this video, be sure that y'all like, subscribe, comment down below which one is y'all's favorite car that was at this whole event, and I'll basically see y'all tomorrow because I'm gonna be posting another video of the second day basically, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna get just as crazy. Alright you guys, well that'll pretty much do it for this video here at Circuit of the Americas for Superlap Battle Day 1. We're actually going to be coming back for Day 2 tomorrow, so yeah, y'all need to be sure that y'all stay tuned to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications so y'all don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And yeah, we had an absolutely amazing time here at Superlap Battle. I hope that y'all like all the videos that we basically captured for y'all. I'm actually going to be including some pictures also right here so y'all can check them out. I'm going to be posting more of those on my Instagram channel, or on my Instagram page though, so if y'all want to go check that out, I'm going to link that down below in my description. And yeah, if y'all did like the video, be sure that y'all like it, comment which one was y'all's favorite car, and I'll see y'all in the next video.